Do you have quality controls where no two products are exactly alike? Then you certainly know this. In volumes like that, parts often go not detected or are sorted out incorrectly. This not only leads to more reject, it also slows down the production, with high costs as a result. With deep learning applications, image processing would work differently, learning to recognize and minimize defects. However, in the past you needed an expert for this. The work was complex. You had to process hundreds of images. But now, there is the deep learning Vision Cam AI.go from IMAGO. Created for users with little experience in programming and image processing, you can teach the Vision Cam AI.go the differentiations in your product, and it learns independently from its prior knowledge via a neural network. Within a few minutes, the camera is adjusted to your task. Load about 30 sample images into the AI training software and classify the product features. Then start the automatic program of the neural network. The images are not uploaded to a cloud, remaining on the camera instead to ensure maximum data security. When the training process is complete, you will receive a notification. Now the camera can make decisions, including previously impossible tasks such as differentiating between good and bad of highly complex objects, or recognize up to 5 different varieties. And that works for countless industrial industries and fields of applications. Contact us today. We'll find out how to make your production more effective with Vision Cam AI.go.